All right, Kiwi dollar. So the big level for Kiwi remains, and I will go to a daily chart here, remains that, what is that, 68.60 level right here, right? Remember, we retraced 38.2% of the move from the March 2020 low. We're now back above VWAP from that March 2020 low. Channel perfectly, right? Absolutely a perfect channel. And 68.60 is that low, and we established resistance there in December, and also very beginning of this year, we traded off from it. It's also this line here from the December 2019 high and September 2020 highs, which was support back in August 2021. So you get above that, and it's jailbreak, and we're ripping higher, probably towards 71 at some point. So again, pay attention to that 68.60. If I've got a couple questions here from Stephanie, and I will get to them in a second. But if you want to look at maybe some shorter term stuff here, which, you know, again, I've got a good feeling that we are breaking out in the dollar, or breaking down in the dollar, I should say, breaking out in currencies against the dollar. Here is a fork, okay? This is a bullish fork, and again, we don't know what's going to happen next. Nobody knows what's going to happen next. However, this offers, trading's about establishing points of reference from which to manage risk, right? Can't do it blindly. You need a map. That's what the chart's for, okay? If indeed we trade lower from here or sideways from here in Kiwi, okay? I say that because we've tagged this median line and we've stalled for the last hour or so. That doesn't mean a whole lot. However, it could mean a lot if we start to pull back and fill and whatnot. Then you would watch for this line here. This is the 25 line halfway between the center line and the lower parallel. You would watch that line for support, especially because it was prior resistance, okay? If we break above this line, so I'll do a little drawing here for you. Let's say we do something like this, right? Then you look for support here and take it higher, okay? Let's say that we break above that line, be something like this, okay? And then you pull back, and then this would be the primo setup. This would be the best setup you could have out of these options here, because you're at this point, you're incorporating not just the center line, but you're also incorporating that 68.60, right? Which we talked about just a couple minutes ago. So, you know, those are the two kind of scenarios in my mind, if you will. And this latter one would be the, you know, the big A+ setup that you would maybe put more size on, right? Because that's a confidence setup. So that's what I'm looking for in Kiwi here at these levels.